Welcome to my channel. Today I'm about to introduce my drone collection. I have about 18 drones. This 4 is the GPS drone. This is a B4W drone. MJX B4 drone. Brushless motor. This is B2. B2 SE drone, brushless motor and GPS. All 4 are GPS drone. This is JJ Pro JJRC X3 Hex brushless GPS. This is a GPS MJX 1X103W, but this is not brushless. This is brush motor. And these 3 large drone is brush motor. 3 are brush motor. Sorry, these 2 are brush motor. This is brushless motor. This MJX Park 3H with attitude hole with no GPS. Brushless motor, and it carries a GoPro camera. This 3 drone is not for beginner. You need to be good professional to fly this type of drone. the Syma X8HG drone. It also carries a GoPro camera, but I'm not using a GoPro. It came with Syma camera, HD camera. If you want, you can put in a GoPro too. It's a very large drone. Brush motor, not brushes, brush motor with attitude hold. And this is Tarantula X6. Tarantula X6 drone with no attitude hold. It's a very fast drone. It's not for beginner. This tree drone is not for beginner. Brush motor too, not brushless, brush motor. And this tree drone with optical flow positioning, with dual camera, all three with dual camera. This is a SG901, new drone in the market, with camera in front and camera at the bottom. Optical flow, brush motor, and this is SHRC H1W brush motor, camera front and camera bottom. Optical flow also. And this DM in 107S drone, and also brush motor with camera front and camera bottom. Optical flow, all three are optical flow drone. And now this 4 drone, these 2 drones are the same. These 2 drones are the same. This is FQ777, FQ40. Both are the same. Brush motor with no camera, normal drone. Both have no camera, normal drone. And this is M65 GD98 drone. Brush motor with no camera, normal drone. It's a very cheap. This drone are very cheap. It's easy to fly, very stable flight. This is quite fast. This is very slow flyer. But when it's turned on to 3rd speed, it will fly fast. And this 3 drone, all are brush motor. This drone is Lagospears XTU-1 Plus drone. brush motor with camera, normal drone. It's also a very stable flyer, smooth flyer. And this is KY601S drone. It's also a good flyer. Brush motor, normal drone with no camera. And this is JJRC H31 drone, brush motor, and this is waterproof drone. You can fly in the rain, and it's a twister. You know what is a twister? It will twist in the sky very fast, turning twists like a twister. It's a very good flyer too, but this has no attitude hold, so be careful. And lastly, this is ZF-04 drone. This drone controlled by your hand sensor. You have a sensor attached to your hand. You move front, move back, left, right. This is how you fly it. They have a sensor to this drone. The sensor, you have to put it in your hand. This is the drone. If you know how to fly it, it's very easy to fly. But first, you must differentiate which is front, which is back first. Then only you can control it nicely. The red tape is the front. If you don't tape it, four sides are the same. So you cannot differentiate which is front, which is back. Okay? Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Sorry, I missed one more thing. Yes, 4 side sensor. Obstacle avoidance sensor, one on each 4 sides. 2, 3, 4. When it flies, if it sends something, it will void. It will void. Avoid. Thank you.